Today we are talking all about monkeys. And monkeys have something special that makes them different from apes. Monkeys have tails, and their tails are prehensile. This means that they can use their tails like hands to hold on to branches, swing from trees, and we are going to be looking at some different types of monkeys. Here we have a squirrel monkey and its mate. So these are squirrel monkeys and they are very small. You can see they have a unique color too. They are called squirrel monkeys because of how small they are. These monkeys are grooming and they are rhesus monkeys. Now rhesus monkeys are some of the larger monkeys. And you see, mommy is grooming daddy here. Now this monkey is called a proboscis monkey. And it is called that because of its large nose. It makes him look kind of ugly. He's not too good looking. These monkeys live in cold weather. They are called snow monkeys. And here they are bathing in a hot spring. The water inside there is very warm. And outside is very cold. You can see all the snow. This is an emperor tamarin monkey. And it is called emperor because it has a large mustache, just like the emperors of China had. These are mandrill monkeys. Now this one here is a mandrill and called mandrill because of its rainbow face and rainbow buttocks. It also has a short tail, but it is still a monkey because it has a tail. This is a red howler monkey. Now red howler monkeys are called red because of their red-orange color. And they are howlers. Mostly the daddies howl. And we see these in our forests in Trinidad and Tobago. These red howler monkeys. This is a baboon. Baboons are known for their long faces. And they are some of the larger monkeys too. Here we have a capuchin monkey. Capuchin monkeys are very smart. They are usually a cream color with black or a light brown with a dark brown. And this is the monkey our second year students are going to be coloring today. Here we have blue monkeys. Now these monkeys are called blue monkeys because their black color almost looks like a dark blue. And you see how the baby holds on to the mommy. This is a spider monkey. Spider monkeys are called spider because of their long limbs, long arms, legs, and tails. When they are hanging from the trees, they look like spiders. Now this is monkey meat, and you will find this a lot in Africa. Lots of people in Africa eat monkeys, and these are different cuts. This is barbecued monkey meat. Now here we have finger monkeys, and these are real. They are called finger monkeys because they are so small like our fingers. This is showing us how a monkey stands upright. And it is said that humans come from monkeys and apes. So we have a lot of things in common with them. These monkeys are grooming. Mommy is grooming daddy. She is picking off the bugs and insects from daddy's coat. And here is a baby suckling or drinking milk. Monkeys, especially the mummies, have tatats or teats, just like human mummies. So the babies hold on to the mummies and they drink milk just like you would drink milk when you were smaller from your mummy. Monkeys are omnivores. They eat both meat and plant material. So they will eat things like worms, fruits, especially tropical fruits like bananas and mangoes, flowers and even the nectar from flowers, termites, and they use sticks to get termites to come out from the ground. This one here is eating piwa, and this is a local fruit. Now in some places, monkeys are used for coconut picking, and it looks very bad. These monkeys are chained and they are trained to climb up coconut trees and pick coconuts for humans to sell. And here we have a working monkey. It is an assistance monkey. This man cannot use his arms and legs, so the monkey assists him in doing that. Today we are talking all about these creatures. We are talking about monkeys. And this was my monkey when I was small. His name is Zaboomafoo. When I was younger, there was a show called Zaboomafoo. And this is the monkey. He's a lemur. So this is one type of monkey. We are going to learn all about these creatures today. So are you ready to learn about monkeys? Let's get started. Monkeys are animals that are part of a family called primates. And we are also primates too. So monkeys, apes, and even human beings are primates. So that means that we are related to monkeys. Do you think Zaboomafoo and I look like we are family? Well, we are. So monkeys and humans are family. We are part of the family called primates. Now yes, scientists say that long ago, human beings looked more like monkeys and apes. That over time, our bodies changed. We lost our tails, we started to stand upright more, and this made us look more like human beings instead of monkeys. So over time, humans evolved. Evolved means changed. So we went through evolution. We changed to look like human beings and not really like monkeys. But once upon a time, we looked a lot like them. Now monkeys and humans have lots of similarities. That means that we have things in common. Let's talk about some of the things that humans have that monkeys also have too. The first thing is hands and feet. Yes, monkeys have hands just like ours and feet too. So that is something that we have in common. Monkeys also have opposable thumbs. So can you move your thumb fingers like this? Well, monkeys have opposable thumbs like ours. So we use our thumbs to grab and pick up things. They help us to hold things better. And just like that, monkeys do the same. They grab and pick up things using their opposable thumbs. Monkeys and humans also have similar facial features. This means that our faces look a lot like monkeys' faces too. We have similar eyes, noses, and even mouths as well. Also, monkeys are very intelligent, just like human beings. So they are very smart. Aren't we smart? Monkeys also use tools to solve problems. Like, if we want to have a fruit, we will use a knife to cut open a fruit. Well, monkeys do the same thing. If they want to eat termites from the ground and cannot get to the termites, they will take a stick, lick the stick, and stick it into the ground. And the termites will stick onto the stick and make it easy so that the monkeys can eat the termites when they pull the stick out. So they use tools, things that they find in their environment to help them to do things. Just like we use tools too. Knives, hammers, things that can help us. Monkeys also are able to feel love and affection. So, just like monkeys can love each other, we can love each other too. That's something that we have in common. And they can stand upright, which means straight and tall, just like we can. So we have a lot in common with them. Now, monkeys are animals that are domesticated a little bit. They are wild, but we do see people who have monkeys as pets. And we also see monkeys in zoos too. Monkeys live all around the world, but they are found in Africa, Asia, and America most. But you can find them almost in every country. Monkeys are mammals. This means that they are warm-blooded like we are. They give live birth. So their babies are alive when they are born. And they also suckle their young. And if you looked at the pictures, you would remember that we saw a baby monkey suckling or drinking milk. Now, mommy monkeys have teats. And their teats are just like our mommy's tatas. They are up top over here. And that is where the baby monkeys suckle. So they drink milk from mummies. And their mummies have teats that are similar to our mummy's tatas. Okay, just like human beings too. Now, monkeys are also omnivores. And omnivores are animals that eat two different types of things. Remember we talked about omni, meaning two. So omnivores eat both meat and plant material. So monkeys eat lots of different things. Now when I say meat, they don't hunt animals really. What they do eat in terms of meat are things like termites, ants, lizards, worms, and even birds' eggs. Those are things that they will eat that we can call meat. They will also eat plant material like fruits, especially tropical fruits like piwa, bananas, mangoes, pomerancs, lots of tropical fruits. They will eat flowers and even the nectar from flowers, roots, stems, leaves. So those are things that they will feed on. So monkeys are omnivores. They eat small things, but they do eat a little bit of meat and a little bit of plant material mixed together. Monkeys have special names. The mummies and the daddies are called adults, just like mummies and daddies in the human form. We are called adults. And babies or the children are called infants. So the mummies and daddies are adults and the children are infants. Monkeys live together in a troop or a tribe. So they like to travel together. And in troops or tribes, there's usually just one daddy monkey. So one daddy with many mummies and many babies. This daddy will be the one in charge. So there's usually one daddy, many mummies and many babies together in a troop. The other daddies will go and they will make their own troops or tribes. So there's only one daddy in a troop or tribe. Now monkeys are very social animals. They love to be around each other. They will even groom each other as well. So you will see monkeys picking at each other, picking off insects. That is grooming, loving each other and taking care of each other. That's something that they enjoy doing. And they are animals that will carry their babies close to them. Mummies will carry babies on the front of them, hanging onto their necks, or even riding on their backs. That's how they will carry their babies around. Monkeys have something that makes them very special. Monkeys have a tail, and they use this tail to hang and swing from trees like this. Their tails are called prehensile, This means that they can wrap their tails around tree branches like this and use it to swing from tree to tree. So their tails are prehensile. They act like a hand to grab and hold on. And monkeys primarily use their tails to swing, to help them to move around from one tree to another tree. So now that we know so much about monkeys, let's look at some different monkeys in this book here, and I even have some pictures too. Here we have red howler monkeys. These are red howler monkeys. Father is doing the family howling. So, red howler monkeys are actually found in Trinidad and Tobago in our forests. And the daddies are the ones who do a lot of the howling. Like we can see here, this daddy looks like he is howling very loud. So that is why they are called red howler monkeys. Capuchin monkeys are active and noisy. So capuchin monkeys are very noisy. And this is a capuchin monkey too. Capuchin monkeys can be brown or black. So you see we have brown ones and black ones here. Different ones. Mother baboon thinks her baby is beautiful. Now baboons are not really that good looking. They are not some of the nicer looking monkeys. Father mandrill stands guard while his family takes a nap. Now mandrill daddies are known for their colorful faces and colorful buttocks or bum bums, right? So their faces and bum bums are very colorful, like the rainbow. So those are mandrills. Let's see. These patas monkeys use their long legs to sprint across the hot plains. So these monkeys actually sprint or run across grasslands and savannas. The baby mustached monkey has found a good swing. So this baby is swinging on daddy's tail. Now this is the rhesus monkey. So this is another type of monkey. And rhesus monkeys are actually some of the larger monkeys. Here we have a spider monkey. Spider monkeys are called spider monkeys because their limbs, meaning their arms and legs, and even their tails are very long. So they look like spiders hanging from trees. That's why they are called spider monkeys. Here we have the snow monkeys or Japanese snow monkeys. And they live in cold areas. They spend a lot of time in hot springs or hot water. And around them there's lots of snow and ice. So they are snow monkeys. And here we have the proboscis monkey. Now this monkey is known because of its large proboscis or nose. Okay, that's why it's called that, because it has this very long, flat, strange looking nose. So you see, all monkeys are just a little bit different, but what they have in common is exactly what Zabumafu has here. They have a tail, and that makes them monkeys. Tomorrow we will be talking about apes. They are also family to monkeys, but apes don't have tails. Let's look at our activities now. Our first year students are coloring the rhesus monkey, and that is this monkey here. So you will be coloring the rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkeys are actually very big monkeys. Monkey starts with the letter M. It makes the sound M for monkey. Today we are tracing the word monkey. Now look at the letter M. We have to start on the broken line. Stay on the dotted line, go down, up to the broken line and over. Go back up again to the broken line and over. O is short, but we must start on the broken line, go down to the bottom and back up again. N2, start on the broken line, go down, all the way up and over. K is tall, it's 2 movements. Start on the top line, go all the way down. Then we start on the broken line, go in, out. E starts in the middle of the broken line and the bottom line. We go across, up and around. And Y is our hanging letter. Start on the broken line, go down, up to the broken line, back down again with a tail. Notice I stayed on my dotted lines. Our second year students are coloring a picture of capuchin monkeys. And I do have a capuchin monkey here. Capuchin monkeys can be light brown with a darker brown, or even a sort of cream color with black, like I colored here. So you can choose which one you want to color. And capuchin live in forested areas. They eat insects, leaves, and fruits. So they eat a lot of the things I told you about. Monkeys are omnivores. So let's go ahead and read our sentence. K, a, p, o, k, h, I, n. We can break it down. K, a, p, u. Kapu, and ch goes ch, in. Capuchin. Capuchin, live, live, in, f, o, r, e, s, t, e, d, f, o, r, e, st, ed, forested, a, r, e, as, areas. So that's the first sentence. T, h, e, y, z, e, y, they, e, a, t. 2 vowels. The first one says its name. Eat, eat. In, s, e, k, t, s. Insects, insects. L, e, a, v, e, s. 2 vowels. The first one says its name. L, e, v, s. Leaves. And, and, f, r, o, e, t, s. Fr, u, t, s. Fruits. So capuchin live in forested areas. They eat insects, leaves, and fruits. So we did rhesus and capuchin monkey.